Oh, sorry, was that cat?
No. Okay, we're good. So you start with just, I mean, remember how you show yourself the hands yesterday, like when you're about to whistle?
Yes.
It's almost the same thing as opposite. You're staring at it, and like your hand is shaking from the pain.
Well, we backed up. We backed up over frogs.
So that's why.
And then you're gonna start whistling.
That maybe is not what I changed.
Calling for the bird.
That's why we don't need to worry about it.
Okay.
Because we have everything back.
I have to hide my fingers.
Wait, so this is not his last mark?
This is not his last one.
Okay.
Okay. And now after a few seconds, fall back.
Okay.
Bro, where may be my fingers?
But did you have your suit cleaned since yesterday? Okay.
It's just I have two suits.
I like this.
Yeah. It's shouting. It's just the agony of the. Be asleep. That's what I want you to do.
So, can I be standing where you're standing?
Well, I was thinking.
Loki, it's not. It's fine.
Yeah,
Leave the feather there. It does not matter.
I was thinking it added to it. That's what I was asking.
Yeah. Okay. Let's just try.
Yeah. Camera.
Mark one.
Camera. Sound.
Speeding.
Scene 8, shot R, take 1.
Okay, one note. Let's stay on the hands for like a good 15 seconds. Let's get it. Shake, okay? Shake the hand.
Okay.
Like.
Wait.
Alright, do take 2.
Yeah.
Is it soft? What do you mean? Oh, okay. I understand.
No, Jacob, you're fine.
You're
Yep,
okay.
but I'm
Yeah,
just
it's a
making
groove.
sure.
Yes, got it.
We can do the whole thing.
Wait, what do you mean? With the bloody thing?
Yeah, because it's gonna look bad.
Then pull off the necklace. Yep. Stop. Stop there. Now do the back. Over my ears. Do the back over my ears slowly. Slowly clear the ears. Yep. Stop. No.
Yeah, that's nice. Can you rather instead like go?
I could go wherever you like to. It's
Okay,
your
do
baby.
it in. And then after you're done with like one wrap, 2 wrap, you're done with it, and you can try to keep it like that. Like you cannot pull away from it.
Yep.
Okay. Show me.
Tell you an Irish joke while
And I don't mind that it says gaff tape and all that crap, because I'm gonna cut around it.
Oh.
Yeah, but are you speeding?
Oh, sorry. Speeding.
Where's the marker?
I have it. But it's ready to go, isn't it?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Eight
That's for the camera.
Rolling.
Okay, I'm just. Scene 8.
Oh, sorry, the roll's wrong.
Scene
I was
8M.
waiting on.
What roll is it?
I was waiting.
Okay, beautiful.
And yeah, it's just a step back. You don't have to fall. Just a step back. It's gonna be.
Yep.
It's gonna be enough. Okay.
Yep.
In the end, no, he's.
Do we have enough rope for the grappling hook?
We have
throw?
enough rope for the grappling hook.
Excellent.
We do. We're good.
So did you want to?
Just 2 though.
Okay.
Okay. I'm just gonna roll.
Yeah.
And you roll.
Okay. Roll.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. Let me do it one more time.
Maybe, what if, like, I just leave the... What did you just get out? Was that mine?
Just 2 though.
Okay. For the whole scene in general. And so you're tugging, you're pulling, you're going against something that
Can you? Is it running down my hand this way?
it is.
Is that okay?
It's okay, right?
Yeah.
You can put your hand flat, so it just, yeah. You can even put your hand down if you wanted to go up your hand.
That's okay. For the whole scene in general. And so you're tugging, you're pulling, you're going against something that
Can you? Is it running down my hand this way?
it is.
Is that okay?
It's okay, right?
Yeah.
You can put your hand flat, so it just, yeah. You can even put your hand down if you wanted to go up your hand.
That's just... Right, you're good. I'm just rolling. Okay. You can go actually wherever you want.